Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Today I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. So let's open Google Maps at the beginning. Tap button in the right corner and tap on Offline Maps. Now select your own map and adjust the area you want to download. Now we can open our map, turn off Wi-Fi, and we can navigate offline. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.